A cover letter is a crucial component of your job application. It is your opportunity to sell yourself to the hiring manager and stand out from other applicants. In this video, we will cover the basics of cover letter writing and provide templates and examples to help you create a winning cover letter. First, let's start with the basics. A cover letter should be one page and include three main sections: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. In the first paragraph, start by addressing the hiring manager by name and mentioning the position you are applying for. This shows that you have done your research and are genuinely interested in the job. The second paragraph should be used to highlight your relevant skills and experiences that make you the best candidate for the job. Focus on what you can bring to the company and how you can contribute to its success. Use specific examples to support your claims. In the final paragraph, express your enthusiasm for the position and end by requesting an interview. Provide your contact information, such as your phone number and email address, and thank the hiring manager for considering your application. Now that you know the structure of a cover letter, let's take a look at some templates and examples to help you get started. Here's a simple cover letter template. And here's an example of a cover letter for a specific job. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of cover letter writing and provided you with templates and examples to help you create a winning cover letter. Remember, a well-written cover letter can make all the difference in your job search and increase your chances of landing an interview. Good luck.